Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Repair. Today, we are talking about symptoms of a bad ECM. You should not ignore it. The Engine Control Module, or ECM, is often referred to as the brain of your vehicle, and for good reason. It's the central unit that processes real-time data from dozens of sensors to control critical systems, like fuel injection, ignition timing, air-to-fuel ratio, idle speed, emissions, and more. Without a properly functioning ECM, your engine simply can't run efficiently, or in some cases at all. The ECM is also what turns on your check engine light and stores diagnostic trouble codes, which you can read using an OB2 scanner. Now, the location of the ECM varies depending on your vehicle's make and model. It's commonly found in the engine bay near the battery or fuse box, but it can also be located under the dashboard, behind the glove box, or near the footwell. Before we get into the signs of a failing ECM, here's something very important. The ECM should always be the last thing you suspect. Many symptoms that point to a bad ECM could actually be caused by faulty sensors, wiring issues, blown fuses, or even just dirty electrical contacts. Always rule those out first. One of the first signs of a fail in ECM is the check engine light turning on. You might notice random engine codes or multiple warning lights popping up, even after replacing sensors, checking for damaged wiring, or cleaning up corrosion. If the light refuses to turn off, and everything else checks out, the ECM may be at fault. Internal damage, like water intrusion or a shorted circuit, can cause this. The second symptoms is poor acceleration. If your car feels lazy when you hit the gas pedal, like there's a delay or it just doesn't want to move, the ECM might be misreading throttle or map sensor data. As a result, it's sending incorrect signals to the fuel injectors and ignition system. This leads to an improper air-fuel mixture, which hurts acceleration. Sometimes the car may even go into limp mode, a protective feature where performance is severely limited to prevent engine damage. If you are stuck in limp mode and sensor replacements don't help, the ECM could be to blame. The third symptoms is rough engine performance. If your engine is idling erratically, shaking, or misfiring, it could be due to poor fuel delivery or incorrect spark timing, both of which are controlled by the ECM. You might also feel the car jerking or surging while driving. These issues can feel like bad spark plugs or ignition coils, but if you've ruled those out, the ECM could be the problem. The fourth symptoms is engine stalling. If your engine shuts off at stop signs, red lights, or even while driving, the ECM could be intermittently failing and cutting power at the wrong moment. The fifth symptoms is poor fuel economy. Noticing you at the pump more often than usual. A failing ECM might be sending incorrect signals to the injectors, causing the engine to run rich, meaning too much fuel and not enough air, leading to excessive fuel consumption. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.